Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the battery's baseline, its age, cycle count, and health percentage. Once you have that, close energy-hungry apps and disable background sync so drain stops now. Plug in the original charger and, if your device supports it, set an 80% charge cap. This reduces stress and prolongs chemistry. While charging, avoid heavy use, let the battery stabilize. These initial moves reduce immediate wear and set a stable starting point for long-term preservation. Now you optimize daily behavior to prevent cumulative damage. Keep the device in moderate temperatures. Heat accelerates degradation, so do not leave it in direct sun or on a hot dashboard. Make shallow charge cycles your habit. Topping off between 20% and 80% reduces stress on cells. Use power-saving modes and turn off push notifications for non-essential apps. This cuts idle drain. Once these habits are routine, you'll see slower capacity loss and fewer surprise shutdowns over months. Finish with periodic maintenance and a clear troubleshooting step. Keep firmware and apps updated because software fixes can improve charging behavior and efficiency. Recalibrate the meter only if readings become erratic. A full discharge cycle once every few months is enough. If capacity falls below roughly 70% or the device dies unpredictably, plan a battery replacement. And if you notice swelling, strong heat, or leaking, stop using the device immediately and get professional service. That prevents hazards and protects your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.